So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for almost like a year on here, but yeah, so if y'all don't follow me on my social media, they will be linked down below, so make sure y'all go check those out. So if y'all are new, hi, I'm Samantha Nicole. So make sure y'all do hit the subscribe button before you leave to join the fam. So let's get into today's video. So I know I look a little rough right now, but I just wanted to come on here barefaced. I'm not about to hop on YouTube and lie to people that I'm pretty 24/7 because I'm not. Okay, but I'm beautiful inside though. Okay, so that's what counts. So today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. So we are in the month of February. This month's theme is Afterglow. So I'm guessing we're gonna have skincare in here. Okay, first product is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This one retails for $24. This mascara is so bomb, you guys. Like, it is a little pricey for a mascara, but if you really think about it, mascara does last you a long time, and I'm barely running out of my mascaras that I got in my past Boxycharms. The next thing we have is the No Problem Primer. This is by Touch in Soul, and this is supposed to smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. And this comes with 1.01 fluid ounces, so I feel like this bottle is pretty good for $18 that it retails for. And actually, I just looked at the back and I was like, what is all this? Like, it's in another language. So this product is from Korea, and I find that really interesting. So I cannot wait to try this out. And also, I needed a new primer. So if you do not have Boxycharm, y'all really do need Boxycharm, because half the time that you need stuff, you honestly don't even have to go out and buy it, because I see like the spoilers on Instagram to know, like, to see what's in this month's box. I'm like, oh look, there's a primer in this box. Like, I don't have to go out and buy a primer. I could just like try that primer. And me, I'm the type of person where I don't like trying new stuff that much. Like, I don't like going from like different product like every day. I like to stick to one thing and know that it's gonna be good. So for just in case your man is complaining that you don't need Boxycharm, girl, tell him yes you do. Either I'm gonna pay $21 a month, or you're gonna give me $200 a month. Which one's better? Okay, so next product is the, I do not know how to say this, the Trestica? I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry, you guys. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. I actually thought, I was like, what the heck? Like, the packaging is super cute. It has like the little like lipstick crayon thing. So this comes with a, so this is a primer and glaze lip crayon, and this retails for $25. So, oh, this shade is like really pretty. So this is what this looks like. Super pretty. So let me swatch this. It's super lightweight for sure. This one is in the shade English Rose, and as y'all can tell, it has like a little sheen to it. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to be super moisturizing on the lips. And it also comes with a primer. Oh, that is so cute. That is too cute. I do not find myself like reaching for this color like on a daily basis, but it's never bad to have a lot of lipsticks, because you never know, there's that one day that you want to do a certain eye look and then you need a lipstick to match it. And also, another thing that I love about this packaging is that it has like, it's like magnetic. That is super nice. Next thing is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and this retails for $32. We have received Pretty Vulgar in the past. I'm pretty sure it was a blush. But look at this packaging, you guys. Like, I live for their packaging. It is always so pretty. If y'all didn't notice, I got my nails done and I feel like a new woman, you guys. Like, it is so crazy. So that's probably why I'm talking with my hands so much. But I love nails, and I just haven't had them in so long, and now I can't open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, no, I got it. So this is what it looks like. I like how it's not too crazy. So let's swatch it. Oh yes, that is super pretty. It's a little bit more like on the rose gold side, but it is super pretty. So last but not least is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. And this is supposed to soothe and hydrate skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. So this retails for $22. I really love how Boxycharm is starting to include like more face like skincare stuff. How do I explain this? It sort of smells like, you know, those cough drops. There's some honey ones that they're like super strong and they're like super nasty. It smells like that mixed with Fabuloso. That little like cleaning liquid. I'll insert a picture if y'all don't know. Okay, let me close this. I like it though. It's like, it's a little strong, but that's not bad. So it does contain honey and hyaluronic acid. Let me see the ingredients. So it does have a lot of ingredients in it. So if y'all are allergic to anything, I would be careful with this, because this has oils and leaf and like flower extracts. So yeah, so make sure y'all add me on Snapchat, because I will be updating y'all on how this works. So that's it for this month's Boxycharm. So I hope y'all enjoyed, and now I'm going to be doing a sort of like get ready with me try on. Like I'm going to be trying out all these products and a get ready with me, but like fast forwarded. So I wanted to include this in this video, but yesterday I picked up the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define full coverage foundation, and then with the ColourPop concealer. Oh my god, like this is the first time I tried this concealer, and now I know why people freaking love it. That's why I see it all over Instagram. It's the No Filter concealer. Make sure y'all try out this combo, because it is on the affordable side and it is bomb. I'm going to be using my little goodies that I got for Valentine's Day. I'm going to use the Jacqueline Hill palette. So this is how it looks untouched, beautiful, before I dig in. So if y'all want to see me get ready, just keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.